gonna play some Minecraft, and this one is a modded survival. This tools is here. I need to throw these things away. I've got a new series I'm gonna make, and let's go. Ako lang ako video. And this one there, and oh, I've got moddies. I'll show you later. The type check back. Let's try that first. Jet back. Oh, what's that? Oh, jetpack. What it look like? Oh, it looks okay. How do you use that? Let's try out. Oh, it's a jetpack. And it's a jetpack. Thanks. It's a jetpack. Let's go. Make our house. Let me try this one. Got this one. This mod, Pocket Heroes mod. Let's try this. It says like that. Not a jetpack again. It says slash item. Not this one. Jetpack yellow. Ah, no, wrong one. Type jetpack, heroes mod. Ow. Items. Let's go. Oh, what happened? It full up this one. Oh no. Oh well, let's go. Suit. Do we flash? Oh my head, no. I'm suffocating in a wall. Where's the flash? I like this. Oh. Nothing happened. Oh, nothing happens. Let's go. I don't know what happened. I'm gonna solo make a chest. Crafting table. Sheep. Oh, you can kill sheep one hit. This is really overpowered, and I'm gonna take this off and throw it away. Wait guys, it's been long. Otherwise I'm not. No, this one I'm not. This is overpowered. I want this to store this trash away. Trash. That's not trash. Po. Oh, 5 minutes lang. Trash. And let's go. You need this to make a Captain America #1. And his suit. Batman mask. No, I don't have a space. Oh well. We've got oh no. Dust. Let's go. Energy. I think I'm gonna build a house here, and I think I'm gonna end the episode here. If you enjoyed this and you like this, leave a like and subscribe now, and I'll see you guys later. Good.